Hey y'all, Bear, that's right. Everybody loves ramen, and that's what we're cooking today. Matter of fact, we're going to cook the most ridiculous recipe I saw in this book, and it's a simple one. Ramen burritos. That's right, ramen burritos. That's what we're cooking. So here's the recipe from the book. Well, let's cook it up. And I brought Gummy Bear along because she loves ramen and she loves burritos, and she's on her bicycle someplace, but maybe she'll give it a taste test with us. But wow, it's gonna get dark fast. Let's cook. We need water to boil the ramen, right? Water, that ought to get it done. And we need fire. Where's the knob? Come on. There we go, fire. Hello. All right, let's try it again. Now we're cooking. That's why you don't sit below your stove at the table. So y'all, this is a simple recipe. We cook up the ramen, and it says you can use either chicken or beef. Now I like beef burritos, so I'm using beef today. We've got our burrito wrappers, and we've got hot sauce. I've got regular Tabasco and I've got Chipotle. I'm gonna make 2 burritos, one of each. Here, I'm gonna give you a little stove action in case you've never seen anybody put ramen noodles in some hot water. There's the stove, our cook pot. We've got water on for the boil. Next step is open the ramen noodles. Here, I'll do it on camera for you. Here they are in all their glory. Right in there, you see that? All right, now this is important because we're gonna drain the noodles, so reserve the seasoning. Whoop, oil. Cut my stove way back. Bam, in with the noodles. We need a timer. While the noodles are cooking, we can get our seasonings ready so we don't waste time at camp. There, they're ready. As they're cooking, I'm just gonna start pulling that block apart. Y'all hear it? Noodles are ready. Next step is I've got to drain these. All right, so once we've sufficiently removed the water from our noodles, we got to get some seasoning action going. Put the seasoning in. And we give it a good mix. The instructions actually call for you to go ahead and put your hot sauce in now, I believe. But I'm gonna do that in each burrito because I'm gonna make one with each type of hot sauce. I brought a heat diffuser with me today, and that's what I'm gonna use to heat up my burritos. This will put just a little toast on the burrito, bring out a little flavor. You don't have to do this. There you go. You see there the little toasty points? That's what we want. Alright, so now we need approximately half of our noodles in each burrito. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the Parmesan cheese. You're supposed to mix Parmesan cheese in there also. I was just going to use the cheap sprinkly one. Oh well, we'll see how this does. Man, I can't believe I forgot the cheese. I should have looked at the recipe when I was packing stuff up at home. I'm not sure if a man should eat more than one ramen noodle burrito a week, but I made another batch with the Parmesan cheese and ate them during my editing. I can't really say that it made much of a difference, so use it if you want. But I guess this will get us in the ballpark, huh? Sometimes that happens at camp. We forget stuff. So, our burrito on the left is going smoked chipotle. Or in this case, you're right. Lay it in there good. And let's give that guy a good toss. And the burrito on this side is going with plain Tabasco. And now we've got a fold. Man, I can't believe I forgot the cheese. How could I forget an ingredient in a 4-ingredient recipe? All right. There you go, there's the shot. Ramen burritos. Oh, why? Why'd make ramen burritos? I don't know. Alright, so Chipotle, Tabasco. I'm inviting Gummy Bear over and see if she wants to give them a try. Where are you gonna sit at?
Over here, I guess.
Over there? Okay. So there's that.
Could I have my ginger ale?
You can. Hopefully they had time to get chilled.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Let's see. So the darker one is the smoked chipotle hot sauce, and this one is the plain red hot sauce. And I missed an ingredient. Can you believe that? It's only 4 ingredients. I left one at home.
What was it?
Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
Which either would have made this really gross or it might have set it over the top. I don't know. It might be gross anyhow.
It looks gross. But we're gonna try it.
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
How do I feel about it?
I mean, it's not you. It's like, it just looks weird.
A little bit strong.
This just looks super weird.
Hmm?
This just looks super weird.
It looks weird. It does look a little weird. Let's see here. Lost track. Let's see. Okay, this is the plain hot sauce. I'm gonna try the plain hot sauce first because the chipotle hot sauce is kind of my favorite. What's your first impression?
It's okay.
It's okay? Do you think the cheese would have added to it? Should we try it again with the cheese?
It sounds weird. I think we should use like shredded cheese.
They also say, I use beef. They say that you can use beef or chicken.
Chicken would have been better.
Alright, I'm gonna try the chipotle. I'm gonna cleanse my palate. A little carbonation action.
I like that one better.
I like that one better. I like the chipotle sauce.
I like the red sauce better on most stuff, but it's better on the chipotle sauce is better on this. It's not as sweet.
It has a little bit of the similar flavors to like in the enchilada sauce also. It's not bad. It's a little weird.
I like the texture of the ramen noodle and the tortilla.
Yeah, it's not a bad texture in there, is it? In a weird way, it is a little bit like the texture of some burritos. Either like a shredded chicken or...
I don't really like this one.
I'm not a big fan of that one.
It was okay until I ate the other one. It was like, no.
Well, there you go. It's a ramen burrito. It's a little bit weird, but it's not bad. Cheap burrito fixings for the trail. And we'll see you on the trail.